Big Picture Loans Honest Review. Watch before using. Big Picture Loans is marketed as a solution for people with bad credit or those in urgent need of cash. But let me give you the straight facts before you jump in. Big Picture Loans offers personal installment loans ranging from $200 to $3,500 with repayment terms between 4 and 18 months. These loans are quick and easy to apply for. You can complete the process online and funds can hit your account as soon as the next business day. Sounds convenient, right? But here's the catch. Their interest rates are extremely high, ranging from 200% to over 600% APR. Let that sink in. You could end up paying double or even triple the amount you borrow. Now, who is this loan really for? It's aimed at individuals who have limited access to traditional credit, especially those with poor credit scores or no credit history at all. Big Picture Loans doesn't do a hard credit check, making it appealing if you've been rejected by banks. But here's the deal. This convenience comes at a serious cost. It's a short-term fix for people who are truly in a financial emergency and have no other options. If you're considering this loan to pay off everyday expenses or other debts, stop and rethink. The high interest rates will likely trap you in a cycle of debt. Now let's talk about transparency. Big Picture Loans is owned by the Lakvio Desert Band of Lake Superior Chippewa Indians, which means they operate under tribal law. This allows them to bypass some state lending regulations, making them exempt from certain interest rate caps. While they do disclose their terms up front, many users have reported misleading practices and unexpected charges. If you're not careful, you could easily misunderstand the total cost of the loan. So, should you use Big Picture Loans? Honestly, only if you're in desperate need of cash and have no other borrowing options. I highly recommend exploring alternatives first, like credit unions, payday advance apps, or even borrowing from family. But if you decide to go with Big Picture Loans, read the fine print carefully, know exactly how much you'll pay back, and have a repayment plan ready to avoid falling into long-term debt. Bottom line, Big Picture Loans is easy to get but incredibly expensive. Use it only as a last resort, and even then, proceed with caution.